Hair left at a crime scene is considered physical evidence. It may not say who committed the crime, but it does help narrow down the group of suspects. Morphology, its color and structure, are useful forensic characteristics. Also, chromosomal DNA is also another useful forensic characteristic that is found in the cells in the hair root or follicle. Hair grows out of the structure that is called the hair follicle. The root of the hair is in the follicle, and the shaft extends above the surface of the skin. The follicle has 3 layers: outer cuticle, cortex, and central medulla. Primary treatment of the hair from a crime scene is to determine whether it's human or animal. It is important to use extreme caution when handling hair because of the variations between multiple hairs from one individual. The most important morphological features for making hair identification is scale structure, medullary index, and medullary shape. The forensic scientist is particularly interested in the overall hair color, hair length and diameter, the type of medulla, and the distribution, shape, and color of pigment granules in this cortex. There are different characteristics of human hair. The scalp hair has little variation in diameter, it's fairly uniform in distribution of pigment granules, and the tips are usually blunt. Pubic hair is short and curly, and there are wide variations in the diameter of the hair shaft. It also is continuous medulla. The tips are tapered and abraded. Eyebrow and eyelash hair is short and curved, and finely tapered tips. Chest hair is long with tapered ends, thinner in diameter with less variation than in pubic hair. Underarm is similar to pubic hair, however, it has less variation. Also, for racial origin, Caucasoid hair tends to be straight or wavy. Pigment granules tend to be evenly distributed, and there are many shades of color, which are lighter than Mongoloid or Africoid hair. Africoid hair is normally kinky, contains dense and unevenly distributed pigment. Mongoloid is mostly straight, with depigmentation, and there's a thicker cuticle. The way you can tell if a hair has been forcefully removed is the hair strand has the root attached, or there is root and follicle tissue present on the hair strand. And for age, you can't really determine age by the hair, except if it's an infant. Also, there's a case study. Cat's fur puts criminal behind bars. That's from Discovery News. Fur from a fluffy white house cat has already been used in a murder trial. The accused, Douglas Beamish of Canada, had cat fur stuck to one of his pockets of his jacket. The fur was genetically linked to the victim, Shirley Duguay's cat, Snowball. The evidence helped convict Beamish of second-degree murder, leaving him with a 15-year prison sentence.